like we're superstars. In the garage, all them horses, it's like a mirage. Don't you try on it, I got like 3 Porsches. Fill up cheap Porsches, spitting no flash, spitting no flash. Don't you try on it.
In a right-hand drive, yo. Get out of here. Get out of here. This thing's fire. That's fire. It's big, though. It's still big. Yo. Yeah. Oh. Oh. What you guys think? This NSX is sick. Oh, this thing's so sick. Right hand drive. Ah, sick car. What a treat. Wow. What's up, YouTube? It's Spookmatic back at it with another video. And this one I'm just doing an update of the interior lights I have and the Cool app. I didn't get to show that in the last video, and I think that's the coolest part about these interior lights. You could change the color, you could do different color combinations, you could try to make your own color. It's really serious. So what I had to download was an app. So I'm gonna just go down here. So the app is called Goove Home, G-O-V-E-E Home, and they make a bunch of different products, products for your house, products for your room, for the exterior of the car, for boats, for everything. So you just find your product on here and then you could sync it. So I'm just gonna sync. So let's see what we got here. So this is the app, and now I can show you. So now we see blue. I can put it on green. Sorry, so green, yellow, orange, red, turquoise, purple, or white. And then you could also use this little bar here to change up the color, which is pretty cool. If you're feeling that purple rain, put it on that. And you could adjust the depth of the color right here. So you could go all the way light to all the way the warmth of the light. I'm sorry, I'm speaking incorrectly. And the brightness, you could dull it down, or you could bring it all the way up. Also, what else can we do here? You can make it go to your music. So this will actually go to your music, which is pretty cool. What else? Let's see. DIY. So you could play with the speed. Let's see what else we could do. It was a color wheel in here. I'm just gonna find that. Cancel this. Go back. Okay. Color wheel. So down here is the color wheel, and this was the coolest part, I thought. Like, let me see if I got a good angle. So this color wheel here, like, it even has the descriptions. Like, you could go to cranky, you could go to aggravated. Let me get it off this music thing. Color. Now, okay. So it has these different descriptions of the lights in the mood. Green is interested. These types of greens are happy, relax. They even got moods for sad, mysterious. It's pretty cool. Like, and then they got this other wheel where you can, like, kind of mix your colors. You know, you could go to different colors here with your finger and see how it's doing these colors I would never even think about, you know. Let's go here and blend it with green. We could do blue, or if we go here, do a yellow. We could do a orange. If we go here, kind of an orange wheel. It's just awesome. You could play with these colors, and it's, you know, right from your phone. And then they have this other screen here, which a bunch of different colors here. I mean, the options on this thing are amazing. Like, so if you have a specific color that you want, I'm betting that you could find it in here, in this app. So I mean, for $23 shipped with tax, I think it's a good deal. Again, I'll include the link in the description below. And 23 bucks, easy to install. A newbie could install this kit, and it works pretty good. So I got a another product too, a cigarette lighter thing here. So let's see if you guys can see that. It comes with it measures your volts here, and it came with so you could plug up to 3 cigarette lighter adapters in here, and it comes with these cool USB ones on the top. So I mean, this one was about 15 bucks, but I figured I still want to have another cigarette lighter just in case for something else. And it also has the USBs to charge phones, so I can have 2 phones on there going. I can have my lights going, something else going, and then I also have another one here for my phone and things like that. So I just wanted to make sure I wasn't, if you're worried about taking up your cigarette lighters, I recommend this product. I'll put the link in the description. It works pretty well. So I have my inside and outside lights hooked to this, and it just tucks in here. Sorry, a little messy in there. So this is called a Yantu. So I'll put the description in I'll put the link in the description below.